There are so many countries out there. Why did you choose Australia and why went for the CAPS exam? What part did academically play in your journey? So, any advice which you would give to someone who is planning to take CAPS exam in the future?
Yes, if they want to going to Australia, they can join academically and give 3 to 4 months maximum.
Hello everyone and welcome to Academically. Conquest, win and triumph. Today we are utterly delighted as the CAPS results for July 2024 are out and our students have outdone themselves yet again. We have with us Nitesh Jandu, our successful student who has cleared the CAPS exam 2024. Heartiest congratulations and hello Nitesh.
Hello ma'am, thank you.
Thanks for joining us today. So there are a lot of CAPS aspirant out there, right, for whom your story will be inspiration. So without wasting any time, let us begin with the interview. First of all, Nitesh, please tell us a bit about yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Nitesh and I have done my graduation B Pharmacy from Guru Jambeshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar in 2019 and then I have done M Pharma from same university.
Okay, great. Glad to know about you. So the first question for you, Nitesh, like there are so many countries out there. Why did you choose Australia and why went for the CAPS exam?
Actually, after graduation and master degree, I was looking for the government job in Haryana and Central India. I was preparing for that and then I came to know about academically and CAPS exam. And one of my friend also reached Canada and preparing for this PEBC exam for pharmacy. But it was quite difficult and then I decided to go for CAPS and join academically.
So, okay, good. So when you have a goal, you always need a guide. So how did you come to know about the organization? How did you come to know about academically to reach this?
One of my classmates also joined academically 1 year before. He gave exam in November 2023 and he successful. And after his result, I also joined.
Okay, so you basically came to know about academically through your friend. So did you inquire about us? Like, did you watch any YouTube video or
Yes, I also watch on YouTube and Instagram about academically. Then I search about a result and passing percent. About CAPS procedure, how I require exam to qualify CAPS, how much time for skill assessment, all I have gathered information and also talk with some friends and then I joined academically.
Okay, good to hear that. Good to hear that you did a good superb research on us before joining and we hope you were there on your standards. So Nitesh, any specific time stretch, like how much time did it take for you to prepare for the CAPS exam?
Actually, I have joined in January and then March attempt was on 5, 6, 7 March dates are for March attempt exam and until then I have not get my skill assessment. Then I was not able to give March exam, so I gave in July. It only takes for 4 to 5 months. It was sufficient for me for 6 months from January to June and gave July exam.
Okay, good. So, like,
if I get to know about academically and CAPS exam, if I joined 1 or 2 months before, then I will able to give March attempt and 3 months before also.
That's right, but that's okay. Everything happens for a reason, no? Any which ways you have qualified the CAPS exam, so
Yes.
It's not bad. So yeah, Nitesh, exam preparation and hurdles go hand in hand, right? When you're preparing for something, it's not always a very smooth pathway. You get to have speed breakers, you get to have hurdles in between. So what, according to you, was the most difficult part of the exam? Like when you were preparing, na, उस प्रिपरेशन के टाइम पे सबसे मुश्किल समय कब था और जब आपको लगा कि नहीं अभी ये this is something which I'm nagging off and I should kick it off and do it in a better way. How did you approach it?
Actually, I was previously also prepared for government job, so I was getting touching with the study, so it was not so difficult. But according caps in caps exam, subject wise, and we have to qualify each subject passing percentage 50%. So it was quite sometimes if we not able to pass any subject, then we have to attempt in next attempt again we have to give exam, so we have to maintain all subject equally cover. It
So
was
you had this thing in mind, no? That if not this attempt, then maybe next attempt I'll do it.
no
problem.
no, next was very difficult, and also I have taken 6 months, and for next month it was almost 1 year, so no
Right.
to continue study for 1 year.
Who wants to study for such a long stretch, na? Ek baar mein karo and it should be, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Nitish, as I said, you're a motivation to many CAP students around here, or maybe preparing student or pharmacists. Can you share some tips on effective study techniques and time management during the preparation period?
I think all what academically teachers taught, and from recalls and mocks, these all are sufficient to clear gaps, because all the recalls in the available on the mocks are already 70-80% are recalls are repeated exam.
That's right. And also day-to-day practice, I guess, you should be on your toes, right?
Yes. Or daily, just take class, daily revise, and do practice. Also do practice of calculations. Most
Paper 2, right?
Paper 2 calculation part.
Correct. Now, one more thing. This is something which I eagerly want to know. What part did academically play in your journey? If you could tell me in detail.
Fully 100% academically play. If academically was not there, then how I study? I think I will not manage to study this, because they teach in a good manner what comes in exam. In 4-5 months, full syllabus cover. This was most important, and also the mocks available on academically was very helpful.
Okay, good to hear that. So, were there any unexpected or tricky questions in the exam?
No, I think in my exam no tricky. Some actually in my exam, paper 1 also contained chemistry and pharmaceutics, and paper 2 also contained pharmaceutics and chemistry both. So it was I was not able to decide which exam I was giving, paper 1 or paper 2. Both are mixed. But no new questions, all are easy and from recalls.
So we had actually provided you with all kinds of questions, and that probably helped you.
Yes, ma'am. And I actually got only 10 calculation, which was also easy, not difficult.
So lucky one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any advice which you would give to someone who is planning to take CAPS exam in the future?
Yes, if they want to going to Australia, they can join academically and give 3 to 4 months maximum daily 6 hours study. It was sufficient, and they can easily crack the exam.
Right. So were you there doing any job, or you were just studying like a proper student?
No, I was not doing any job, studying with proper as a student, because I have not joined job earlier. So I was decided that up to July attempt, I also give proper time to study.
तो अभी एक लास्ट चीज में जो पूछना चाहूंगी आपसे, अकेडमिकली के लिए नितेश आप क्या कहना चाहोगे? एनी फाइनल वर्ड हमारे लिए, या कोई फीडबैक बाकी बच्चे जो देख रहे हैं आपको?
Actually, I was very thankful to all staff and academically team. And also academically management team, they manage mocks and all uploaded on the LMS, all the study materials. It was very helpful. And also the timetable, daily classes and daily schedule was also good. And also teacher was also good. They study all the concepts, and the revising sessions were also very helpful.
Okay, thank you, thank you. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके नितेश. Thank you so much for sharing this eminent knowledge with us. And it's a big day for you. I'm sure you're in the mood to celebrate. किया भी होगा कल. Celebrate, है ना? अभी और celebration करो आप. बहुत अच्छे से job लो and I hope you get whatever you want to and go and practice in Australia as a registered pharmacist. And we congratulate you on your magnificent achievement and wish you all the very best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
It
With
was
this,
possible with the support of you and academically team.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are so happy that we were there with you in the journey. So, with this, we'll end this interview, hoping it will help several global pharmacists in their dream of clearing the CAPS exam and becoming registered professionals in Australia. Thank you so much, Nitesh, for joining us, and goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.